And well, in a major milestone in providing all-weather connectivity to Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, which is close to the China border, the Border Roads Organization has carried out the breakthrough blast of the main tube of the Sela tunnel, which marks the completion of the excavation process. Take a look at these videos.
The Border Road Organization, or BRO, is an important arm of the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. BRO is mandated to construct and maintain roads, bridges and tunnels on India's borders, including the high-altitude areas of the north and northeastern frontiers. The Palipara-Chardwar Tawang Road, or the BCT Road under the BRO, is the lifeline of Tawang district of Arunachal Pradesh. The BCT provides connectivity to the civilian population and also serves the operational requirements of the Indian Army to the border areas of Tibet and China. To improve the access further, Sela Tunnel is being constructed by the BRO at a height of more than 13,230 feet. With the construction of this tunnel, the distance of Tawang will be reduced by 6 kilometers and travel time shortened by about an hour, even during peak winter when the Sela Pass gets snow-covered. The foundation stone of Sela Tunnel was laid by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 9th February 2019. The project consists of two tunnels. Tunnel 1 is 980 meters long, while Tunnel 2 is 1555 meters long, double-tube tunnel with a main tube and an escape tube. The construction work of the tunnel started on 1st April 2019. The first blast in tunnel number 1 was carried out on 15 Jan 2021 under the presence and leadership of Director General of Border Roads Organization, Lieutenant General Rajiv Chaudhary. The breakthrough blast in the escape tunnel of tunnel number 2 took place on 23rd July 2021 by DG BRO in an e-ceremony. Along with BRO, efforts of Patel Engineering are also paying off in the construction of this tunnel. Today marks a momentous occasion wherein Shri Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister of India, has initiated the breakthrough blast of longer tunnel, marking the completion of excavation.
It is very significant because we are making a major breakthrough in the construction of the tunnels, and Sela, as it was also told during the function, it is going to be the longest bi-lane tunnel and twin tunnel in the world at that height when it is completed next year. And subsequently also we are going to start Shinkulla tunnel in Himachal, at the border of Himachal and Ladakh. So that is another thing. And there is a series of tunnels lined up in the construction domain, which is going to connect the people and the places and also strengthen the security metrics of forward areas.
There a lot is happening on the eastern sector. We see the standoff with China, and Arunachal Pradesh is also getting a very hot topic. How this strategic tunnel is going to help and empower our armed forces and India altogether?
You see, primarily as we make tunnels or roads or bridges, it hastens up the process of deployment of our troops ahead. So certainly it is going to make a huge difference for our forces. As also I must emphasize that it is not only our forces, it is also our civilian population presence in those areas, because most of the people don't go and get settled down in the forward areas till the time some infrastructure is there. So once infrastructure is developed, the people go there, settle down, make their livelihood, the economic development takes place, a lot of happiness happens. As you have been yourself to Umlingla, the people of Demchok today are so happy that they used to take approximately 2 days to come to Hanle earlier, but with Umlingla coming in, they take only 3 hours from Demchok to. So it has got multifarious advantages. I can't really pinpoint on one issue. And as they say, we are not only making roads, we are building the nation.
So you're building the nation, and in the eastern Ladakh sector also we see a number of roads, strategic bridges, and also air bases and helipads are being constructed. So what is the accelerated process that's going on in eastern Ladakh?
in Ladakh, basically we are focusing more on the tourism. So our people, countrymen can come and see the places which they have never seen. And Ladakh is a beautiful place. And with these roads, bridges and airfields, I think people will get that opportunity to come to Ladakh faster and throughout the season. And they can see these things, spend good time there, have a break, and also develop the economy of the state.